Have you ever felt stuck or controlled by your environment, with your emotions and thoughts dictated by external factors? In this insightful message, the speaker challenges the idea that your surroundings determine your feelings and thoughts. Instead, they advocate for a shift in perspective, urging individuals to recognize the power they have in shaping their own reality. By understanding that your internal state influences your environment, you can break free from a victim mindset and embrace the role of a creator in your life. The narrative delves into the science of gene expression, highlighting the profound impact of elevated emotions on health and well-being. The speaker emphasizes the transformative potential within each person to activate dormant genes, unlocking a vast array of capabilities and possibilities. The journey involves practicing mindfulness, reconditioning the body, and cultivating elevated emotions to create a new normal. Ultimately, the message encourages individuals to become quantum creators, embracing the unknown and surrendering the need for rigid control, leading to unexpected and joyful surprises in their life experiences. Your environment shouldn't control your thoughts and feelings if you want to see change in your life. Instead of blaming external factors for your emotions, recognize that your thoughts and feelings shape your environment. If past traumatic events are impacting you, realize that changing your inner emotions can alter your genetic expression and improve your health. The more profound a positive emotion, the greater the impact on your genes. In a 2017 workshop, participants changed gene expression significantly in just 4 days by altering their internal states. Practicing this mindset shift can empower you as the creator of your life, reducing reactive behaviors and victim consciousness. Embark on your spiritual journey by clicking the I button above. Delve into carefully curated content tailored to foster spiritual development, offering deep insights to guide you on your path of self-exploration. Activating specific genes through elevated emotions has a profound impact on our health. In a study, participants changed gene expression significantly in just a few days through meditation and emotional elevation. This process includes releasing stored emotions, practicing new states daily, and making unlimited emotions the new normal. By understanding that genes are a library of potentials, waiting to be activated, one can tap into an unlimited genius mind, longevity, healing abilities, and more. The unused portion of DNA, often referred to as junk DNA, holds latent potentials that nature doesn't waste. By signaling these genes ahead of the environment, individuals can express greater potential, making new proteins for a more vibrant life. The importance of emotional elevation lies in its ability to activate genes, leading to a positive change in the body's structure and function. Feel gratitude for future events from your heart, creating coherence. Coherent brain and heart produce a magnetic field influencing your reality. Novice meditators showed significant changes in metabolites, indicating a shift in their lives. Routine thoughts maintain the same reality. Change requires new thoughts, feelings, and actions. Quantum creation involves surprising outcomes, moving from cause and effect to causing an effect. Overcoming discomfort and old patterns leads to becoming a quantum creator, embracing the unknown. Shift from lack and judgment to abundance and worthiness for real change. The process is about wholeness and inner peace, transcending the need for external validations. It's never going to work. All those things got to go. I'm not going to feel lack. I'm not going to feel unworthy. I'm not going to feel separation. I'm not going to feel resentment. These are the things that are keeping my reality the same. Now it's no longer about abundance, about who you become. So the overcoming process becomes the becoming process. And so many people come to this work. They want abundance. They want healing. They want a new relationship. They want a new career. They want the mystical. But really they want wholeness. They want healing. They want peace. They want wholeness because they feel unwhole. Well, when you're in lack or you're in separation, you're not whole. Imagine feeling so much wholeness that's impossible to want. That's what we're working on with people. Then you can really enjoy a sunset. Then you can really enjoy a meal. You can really enjoy your friends. Thank you for embarking on this journey with me. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with others so they can benefit from this message, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching the video. Take care and see you soon.